All right.
Hi folks, here we are at Go Light Ranch, and we've just installed a brand new Symphony because we have a cell phone tower that was put up here about a year ago, and we're thinking that this will turn those electromagnetic frequencies into beneficial frequencies so that we can rest easy at night. And it was fairly simple to install. We had to dig a hole for the pole, put about a 3-foot hole, install a ground rod, and connect the Symphony with the ground rod, and then we took it over to this ponderosa pine tree, drilled a hole in the pine tree, and with right specification, and put the probe in there, and we used the pine tree as our antenna to broadcast a 1.5 mile radius all around us will be beneficial frequencies instead of harmful ones. And we are excited about it and really look forward to everybody participating in this. For your home use, the concerto is great, but this broadcasts it for a 1.5 mile radius, like I said, and that we will be updating you on how the animals come in, and they're going to like this too, and they will be benefited, as will the soil, the plants, and everything around us. Thank you very much.